What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on Rose's activity, Rose's peer band posted on Instagram her beautiful photo in LV Yayoi Kusama pumpkins. Rose's peer band captioned it, dotting around 101. Rose's peer band, I look so beautiful wearing a white shirt with black pants. Versus Birban and Mami Maypla are the same machi-machi. Today, on Rosa's activity, Rosa's Birban and Mama Queen celebrating her birthday on the set. On Instagram post, one of the workmates posted on Instagram a short video clip of them holding the two delicious cake. Mama Queen and Rosa's Birban got surprised and looked so happy. Mark Queen and Rosa's Beer Band make some wishes and thanking to everyone who always there. As you can see, all of them, I look so happy. Making fun with the friends and co-workmates was such a blessing. On the deck's activity yesterday, the deck was spotted last day having playing some practicing gymnastics together with the kids. As you can see, the deck was enjoy playing it. It looks like the deck was also a kid.